Hey guys, in this video we're going to be talking about the more advanced functions that we can use with the Cmath library. Now, this is a new data type that we may or may not have touched on. It's called a float. A float allows for a number to have decimals while allocating less memory than a double. So, once we run this program, you'll see that the float A is the same as B, only the data types are different. They're both 2.003, and they will both display as 2.003. But the problem is that double allocates more memory than float, and this is not good because you'll have a bigger memory footprint, and say that a computer only has 8 gigabytes of RAM, you'll start filling up the RAM a lot faster if you just allocate more memory than what's needed. Another thing that you can do with the Cmath library is raise numbers to powers. Now here we initialized a variable c, and then we rose it from 3 to the third. So to do that, you declare an integer or a double, and then you set that integer equal to POW parenthesis, and then the number, comma, the number you're raising the number to. So here we're raising 3 to the third, and so when we run it, it should pop up that it's 27. Now, so another cool thing that you can do with the Cmath library is trigonometry. And so here we'll have the sine, cosine, and tangent of 30. Now you have to declare this number as a double, or it's not going to work correctly, as you'll see. So the trigonometry, the tangent, sine, and cosine are actually, if you type them in and you have something like code box that tells you, they're doubles. Like cosine and then cosine h, which is a different function altogether, are allocated as doubles. So you must use a double. And if you do not use a double, then only negative 0, 0, and negative 6 are going to show up. And you need all of the extra numbers past the decimal point. Another thing you can do is use a fixed point, and so the decimal will stop at either the 10th, 100th, 1000th, so on and so forth, place, or you can fill it up with more decimal places. So if it only has 2, you can just fill in the rest with zeros, common stuff. We're not going to touch on that in this video. That's for another video. But these are the basic, probably most commonly used functions in the Cmath library. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Don't forget to rate and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video, and we'll make a calculator in order to kind of pull together all of the things we learned in the past videos and this video. Alright, until then guys.